Hey, if buying a home feels overwhelming, I get it. So today I'm going to break it all down step by step from checking your credit to getting your keys. Hey, I'm Nate Holloway, your Charlotte Realtor and home ownership coach, helping renters and first-time home buyers become homeowners with real strategies and not just hype. So let's walk through what it really takes to go down the process from dreaming to doing. Before anything else, we check your credit score, your debts, and your income. Now, you don't need perfect credit because many loans start at least a 580 credit score. And I work with lenders who can help guide you through a credit improvement process if needed. We also look at your debt to income ratio, which is how much you owe versus what you earn. This is where we find out exactly how much home you can afford. And a lender will also verify your income, debts, job history, and credit as well. Then once you're pre-approved, not approved, once you're pre-approved, you get a letter, and that letter is your ticket to shop with confidence. Now the fun begins. We tour homes that match your budget and your goals. I help you consider location, commute, school zones, appreciation value, and much more. Then once we find the one, we make an offer. Once your offer is accepted, we go under contract. You'll pay an earnest money deposit and schedule a home inspection. Once you schedule a home inspection, then we finalize your loan and get the appraisal. What is my job during this time? My job is to handle the details so you don't stress. You sign the paperwork, grab your keys, and officially become a homeowner. That's it. You did it. Want this process mapped out for you? Then book a free strategy call with me so we can go step by step and I'll walk you through your own credit to keys journey. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more step-by-step tips to help you buy your forever home.